Where annoyance starts to turn into danger is when people lose power and don't get it back for days, right? And there are Coloradans who got shut off or got cut off, planned or unplanned outages that began Wednesday that still continue tonight with no end in sight. Our Spencer Soyser joins us now from Jefferson County. You were up in Indian Hills there, Spencer, and found some rightfully frustrated folks.
Yeah, they were angry, and the weather there, the wind there, kind of like it is here in Arvada right now, where there's a couple of strong gusts, but nothing super sustained. I spoke with 3 different families that told me they haven't had power since Wednesday, and that the longer that this goes on, the more difficult it is to live their lives. Nobody wants to be left in the dark.
I had candles all over the place until the candles ran out.
For anyone in the dark, hopefully they're not alone.
Yeah, this is their picture. Leslie.
Joe Del Cueto is one of the thousands of XL Energy customers without power. But who knows how many are doing it by themselves.
Leslie's my wife. We came from New York, and she passed away from cancer in 2017.
Being alone in the cold and dark is too much.
Or there's under this, and under this.
Joe still lives in the 100-year-old Indian Hills home he moved into in 1994, but it's not where he's sleeping anymore.
And then last night I stayed in a motel, and I could go get a warm burrito, so that was good.
Friday night will be the second straight night he feels he can't sleep at his home.
I don't want to do it right now because I don't want to get sick.
Even with warmer temperatures outside, his power isn't expected back on tonight.
As you get older, you realize this is just a big hazard.
31 years of nights in this house.
The insulation is really crappy.
But tonight will not be one of them. Joe could sell his old home, the one with no power since Wednesday. But it's a place he stuck out storms in the dark with his closest friend.
That's one of the reasons I don't get rid of this place. All right, our spirit is here.
Now, Joe's home still has water, but some of the other people we spoke to in that area today rely on well water, and without power, they're not able to use their pumps. Another person told me they're used to having no power in that area. It's usually during like a snowstorm where they might lose some power, but they're able to grab snow and flush that down the toilet or maybe melt some of the snow. When the weather's like this, though, and it's not cold, that's a whole nother story, Kyle.
Yeah, man, you feel for the people with individual hardships, you know, like his situation. Spencer Soyser, thank you.